Hey guys, quick video here on how we're going to connect your ASUS monitor to laptop. So first thing, what you need to locate is what kind of cable you have. So if you have the HDMI, USB Type-C or mini display, so locate it because I don't know what kind of monitor you have. So if you have HDMI, you're going to connect it to your HDMI on your monitor, and then you're going to come to your laptop and you're going to find like the HDMI ending connector right there. Or if you have the VGA, then you're going to connect the VGA to right here to your laptop. But let's say that you have the ASUS monitor, but you have the ending of DVI or VGA, but you don't, your laptop got only HDMI. Then what you need to do, you need to get adapter. So you're going to VGA HDMI adapter, you're going to look, and you're just going to order it and buy it. Therefore, how it works is that you're going to enter the VGA to the VGA adapter, and then the HDMI ending is going to go to your laptop. Hope you get it. So that's how it works.